سلام دوستانی عزیز. 31مین солгарди равобити ҳамкориҳои Амрико ва Tajikistan муборак бод. This year marks the 31st anniversary of establishing diplomatic relations between our countries. And over this time, the United States and Tajikistan have built a very strong relationship together. 31 years ago, on December 25, 1991, the United States of America recognized the independence of Tajikistan. And on this day in February 19, 1992, the two governments agreed to establish diplomatic relations together. Since then, we have been working together to promote economic development, education, security, agriculture, and people-to-people connections. Between our countries, we will continue in the spirit of cooperation. On behalf of the U.S. Embassy in Dushanbe, I thank you once again for your hospitality and friendship. Poyanda bod, dӯстӣ, миёни мардумони Амрико ва Таҷикистон.